Started. Hi, today I am here to discuss about my main project on a network topology clustering algorithm for service identification under the guidance of Professor B. Shankar Babu. My project members are Abhinav, Vinay Kumar, Kiran Kumar and Sai Kumar. And coming to the outline of my project, service identification, business process, directed graph model, DB scan, network topology clustering. This is the outline for the project. And coming to the introduction of our project, service identification is the key and difficulty of realizing a service-oriented architecture. Project's practice has proved that error happened during service identification will influence system detailed design and activities executing, especially the result of services combination. The main task of service identification is that making sure a list, including which will become service candidate. Designing a service optimized algorithm according to service designing standard to select, then acquiring an optimal service cluster to meet service characters. The domain decomposition method mentioned by SOMS, service oriented modeling and architecture of IBM, is a common service identification strategy. It thinks that each bottom activities after the process model of domain decomposition could be regarded as candidate service. Directed graph model of business process is this is the graph that model to describe business process can make complex business process simpler and imaginary. Compared with complicated petri nets modeling, it's easier to express and to achieve in count. It's easier to understand and to master. It's also in favor of recomposing flow. And that after abstracted a directed graph, it can utilize the knowledge and method of graph theory to analyze structure problem including clash, deadlock and inaccessible that may be exist. It's also through aggregating and decomposing to optimize and recompose and to support service identification. Types of node and arc in directed graph model. In view of function, there are three types of node, which basic node is the common form, while the input and output all have only one arc. Adopting this form, it is also called for short. Compound node includes AND node and OR node. They have more than one input or output arcs. That's to say, this kind of nodes activity is related to multiple activities, which decides not only the activity but also the logic relationship. Symbol node includes start node and end node, which is not meant a real business activity, but it's only the entrance and exit of the directed graph, the beginning and ending of actual business process. Node representation is in this way. This is basic node, composite node, and the coming to the process of service identification and clustering algorithm. Basic process of service identification is to build a adjacency matrix. A adjacency matrix is a means of representing which vertices of a graph are adjacent to which other vertices. The adjacency matrix of directed graph is an n by n matrix marked A of g, where A of g is the adjacency. Relationship between Vi and Vj is represented as follows. This is the representation of adjacency matrix in the algorithm. Calculation of node degree. The node degree is calculated in this way step by step. The number of nodes adjacent to a node is called the node degree mark K of I. There are many different means of node degree in different contexts. For example, the large number of degree means a great influence in social network. In this paper, it means coupling relationship of business activities. The large number of degree means a closer coupling between the activities. Estimating of min points in clustering algorithm. Min point is defined as the minimum number of points required to form a cluster in DB scan. Min point is defined as the minimum clustering coefficient, which is more than average clustering coefficient. Clustering coefficient is a characteristic quantity which is used to measure the node clustering character. In graph theory, a clustering coefficient is a measure of degree to which nodes in a graph tend to cluster together. Therefore, if a node V of I has K of I neighbors, node degree K of I arcs could exist. Network topology clustering algorithm is in this way. DBScan is a data clustering algorithm. It is a density-based clustering algorithm because it finds a number of clusters starting from the estimated density distributed of corresponding nodes. As one of the most common clustering algorithms, DBScan does not require one to specify the number of clusters in the data a priori, can find arbitrary shaped clusters. DBScan definition of a cluster is based on the notion of density reachability. DBScan requires two parameters, EVS and the minimum number of points required to form a cluster. It starts with an arbitrary starting point that has not been visited. This point's EVS neighborhood is retrieved, and if it contains sufficiently many points, a cluster is started. DBScan is often used to spatial data clustering. Its neighborhood is based on distance, such as Euclidean distance, and its control size of cluster depends on distance threshold. In fact, spatial relationship is from the different spatial relations position or shape. There are three kinds of spatial relation: topology, distance, and direction. That's to say to network structure. Its neighborhood is based on network topology relation. Clearly, to cluster many closer coupling activities into one to meet service identification need compared with spatial distance. Network topology relation is better, which could get by adjacency matrix. Algorithm is this way. For any graph, code for DB-scan algorithm is as follows, and estimation mini point and clustering is done as in the following way. Estimation of mini point. In the above example, mini points trigonometric clusters will be got by carrying out the network topology clustering algorithm, whereas G is the one vertex and G2 is another and G3 is the next. According to the example cluster, G1, G2, G3 will be meshed into one node of G separately. So we can get a high cohesion and loose coupling business process, and every new node can be identified as a candidate service. Graph analysis is this way. Conclusion of my project is that one of the key activities in service-oriented solution development is the identification of services according to a set of predefined design principles. Existing top-down technique is a normal way for service identification, and some relative further research are based on it. They all pay more attention to how to automatically decompose business and take bottom or leaf activities as a candidate service while ignore service characters such as loose couple and high cohesion. The purpose of this paper is to provide a way to optimize business process for service identification. Thank you.